Guardians, do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, something inside you feels out of sync? Like you're swimming against an invisible current? What if the issue is not your discipline but your cosmic thing and the timing? In the modern life, we push ourselves to run on artificial schedules like late nights, irregular meals, endless screens, unpredictable routines. When your day is out of alignment with your inner clock, productivity drops, mood drops, sleep breaks, and prana becomes scattered. You feel tired even after resting. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks where we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Karyans, Vedic wisdom teaches us that your personal rhythm is not separate from your universe. The Surya Siddhanta, Ayurveda, and Rig Veda all say the same things. As is the macrocosm, so is the microcosm. Meaning, your body runs on the same cycles as the sun, moon, planets, and seasons. Here is the Vedic time alignment that boosts your productivity naturally. Point 1, Brahmakala, mental clarity window. Your mind is sattvic, your prana is fresh. Use this time for planning, studying, and deep thinking. Point number 2, sunrise to noon, action and execution. Agni, that is the inner fire, is strongest, perfect for deep work, important tasks, decisions, and meetings. Point number 3, sunset. Slow down and reflect. This is tamasic dip, your body asking for grounding, journaling, gratitude, and low intensity task. Point number 4, post 9 p.m. digital nirvana. The Vedas call it Nidra Kala. The mind shows move inward, screen disturb, and the sacred cycle. When you work with these cosmic rhythms instead of against them, your energy stabilizes, your focus sharpens, and your mind feels lighter. Karyans, your 1% action for the day is pick one cycle to align with. Wake up 15 minutes earlier, just 15 minutes. Do your most important task before noon. Reduce screen time after 9 pm. Choose one and feel the shift in your prana. You don't have to fight time, you just need to flow with it. Join the KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub where we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.